Take a book walk, a family workshop video from Springboard Collaborative. Taking a book walk is an easy and fun way to preview a book with your child. Here are the basics. Number 1, touch the page. Encourage your child to point to parts of the page, circling things with their fingers as they tell you what they see. Hand them the book and let them do it on their own. This physical action can really help your child make a mental picture of what's going on. During a book walk, you do a lot of talking. So you talk about the picture and say what's happening. Let's watch how one mother talks about the pictures with her son.
What do you think is happening on this page?
Tiny was big.
Oh, maybe Tiny is the dog's name and not the boy's name. What do you think is happening on this page?
The dog is playing with the kid's shoe.
Maybe the dog bothers all the kids' stuff. Maybe the dog gets into all his stuff and tears it up and bites on it. What do you think is happening on this page?
Did you notice how she helped her child by asking, what do you think is happening on this page? Then she modeled an answer by starting with, maybe. This way it felt like a conversation, not a test. A book walk should be fun. She could have also asked things like, what do you see? What are you thinking? Where are the characters now? What makes you say that? How has the picture changed from the next picture or the previous page? And in the end, what is this book going to be all about? As the at-home reading coach, you know that asking questions and talking about books is very important. Talking about a book before we read a story isn't cheating. It's a great way to preview some of the words and ideas your child will need as they try to figure out the words and understand what they read. Plus, they can get excited about the book. So the last step of a book walk is to go back to the beginning and start reading. Enjoy!